Yeah, so the university as a whole has a green impact initiative, and of course they've got sustainability policy as well, all kinds of big plans. The way it affects our department specifically is that their green impact initiative can be taken up in departments where we can look at our own recycling system, our own kind of use of resources, and they do come and check it. And we have set up a team actually quite recently, a few months ago, in the faculty, which is the team is made of student staff and various people who are keen to try and improve the recycling and the environment for the faculty. So at a very small micro level, but we are looking at kind of using a hairdryer rather than paper. We got rid of the plastic cups for the water, and little things like that we can change, and trying to make sure that we switch the light off, and we try and remind people to do that.
Yes, the college strives each and every year to keep their carbon footprint down. Reuse water, we do water, recyclable water techniques, restriction on water, how much is used. So they're always striving for new ways to save and keep the environment happy. We have recycling. We recycle all cardboard, which gets emptied daily. There's a lot of rubbish which gets thrown, which is general rubbish. There's a food waste separate bin. So we do try and we have to keep stuff recycled because it would just get out of hand otherwise. I know they do even with like a food bank issue. When students leave, they actually gather up all their food which are not used or left, they don't want to take with them, and then they give those away to a good cause.
Actually, we just were named, which we didn't realize, we weren't even striving for, but we were named as one of the top green companies in the United States. I suspect it has to do with sort of how our offices are designed, right? As well as probably we do a lot of e-commerce, so there's not paper that gets tossed around. So things like that. I'm not, honestly, we were all a little surprised, but clearly, somebody was thinking about it and doing a good job, so.
We have a place comes in and checks the company, I think every 3 months, might even be a month, I think it's every quarter, for Legionnaires. So they check, because standing water can be left around. We have a company that comes in, dips, takes water samples, temperatures of water. So all that gets done and maintained. We have to follow, especially a company's strict code of keeping students safe. So.
We're going to put it up on our website because the younger, ultimately everybody now is more, sensitive to the environment and how we use the environment. But in particular, younger millennials it's a very important decision criteria for them when they decide where they want to work. So immediately we want to get it up on the career page. We will also not just put it on the career page, but we will probably put that up in the media section of our website. I think, because it is something that's positive, so.